guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Sophia. You are highly welcome, all my amazing subscribers, all my amazings yet to subscribe, all my amazing members. You're all highly welcome. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. Let's just dive straight into the video, guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys the content I'm going to be creating this year. Okay, so it's very much like as if it's a channel update. Okay guys, yeah, I supposed to have probably post this video before posting my Sunday reset routine, but I just thought I would post that one first before I post this one. I also have another vlog that is probably going to go up maybe before this video or after this video, one of those. Okay guys, yeah, so I just want to share with you guys the content I'll be creating this 2022 and onwards. Okay guys, so it's going to be a mixture of different things because I think different people like different things and some people subscribe to different kind of things in my channel. Okay, some people like my how to videos, like how to grow your channel, how to get views, you know. Some people like that kind of video on my channel, and I want to be doing more of that as well. Some people subscribe, my first subscribers, most of them subscribe for my sewing tutorials. As I explained before, sewing tutorial is not easy, it's a lot of work. Okay, and I did put out a poll one time saying that if you guys want me to add sewing tutorials, it doesn't mean I'm not going to be doing my vlogs. I'm also going to be doing my vlogs, my normal vlogs, shopping hauls. Yeah guys, I'm still going to be doing all those things, but I'm also going to be adding a bit of sewing tutorial. It's not going to be a lot of sewing tutorial. As I say, sewing is not an easy thing to do. So but what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you guys simple sewing, unless I really want to show you guys intense sewing. What I mean by intense is some styles takes time to sew, but what I'm going to be doing more of is rather show you guys simple styles you can make for yourself, like what I'm wearing now. So you guys can see it's very simple top that you can make for yourself, and also showing you guys alterations, how to amend your skirt, your trousers, instead of throwing your old trousers and old skirt away because it's loose or it's ripped. How to alter it, how to mend them. Yeah guys, I'm going to be showing you guys those simple kind of sewing tutorial. Once in a while I might show you guys more detailed sewing. Okay, as I say, sewing tutorial is not an easy thing to create. It takes time, and sometimes the editing takes very long to do. Okay, because if you want the person to really learn, you will need to show them the process of cutting the cloth, the process of sewing the cloth together. Is long. The video can, if you don't want to edit anything out of it, the video can be 3 hours long, and I'm sure nobody wants to watch 3 hours long videos on YouTube. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you guys simple style, how to sew simple skirts, simple tops, simple dresses, how to amend your skirt, your trousers, simple things you can do by yourself, how to sew with a needle and thread if you don't have a sewing machine. Okay guys, and also show you guys my small sewing machine that I'm using that you can easily get. Okay, yes, simple sewing tutorials. Okay guys, it's not going to be every time, so the tutorials might be once in a week or once in 2 weeks. Okay guys, so I'm going to also be including sewing tutorials, and yes, I've talked about I'm also going to be putting how to grow your YouTube channel, YouTube videos, how to edit. I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit with KineMaster, how to edit with Filmora, because I'm using those two. I'm also using Video Lab, how to edit with Video Lab, and also how to do thumbnails, all those, how to grow your channel, what to, you know, how I'm doing mine. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys those videos. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you guys a mixture of videos. So I'm also going to be showing you guys my shopping hauls. You guys know I love showing you my shopping hauls. I have to. A lot of people enjoy watching those videos on my channel, so I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of shopping hauls, my vlogs. You guys know people like watching my vlogs as well. So I'm also going to be showing you guys some style inspiration that's got to do with the sewing series. Style inspiration, like blouse for style to make for 2022, Ankara styles to make for 2022, simple styles. So style inspiration videos, I'm also going to be showing you guys those as well. Okay, so mixture of different things, okay guys, just to keep you guys entertained. And also while you are entertained, I want you guys to also learn one or two things, not just to be entertained only. Of course, if you don't like sewing videos, you can watch the vlogs. If you don't like vlogs, I'm sure you will enjoy watching my shopping haul, going shopping with me, my clothing haul. Yeah guys, so I'm going to be putting all those videos. As I say, my sewing tutorials are not going to be every time. There may be a week or two I may not even post any sewing tutorial at all, okay guys, because as I say, sewing tutorials takes time. It takes time, okay. Yeah, so I may not show any sewing at all for a week or two. I may show you just like that, but I will put in some sewing tutorials here and there, okay guys. And of course vlogging, my vlog, shopping hauls, you know. Yeah, my travel, if I travel to anywhere. I'm planning to travel soon. I'm going to take you guys along as well. Cook with me videos, clean with me videos. Yeah guys, lifestyle basically. I'm going to be showing you guys all those things, and of course how to grow your YouTube channel if you are a content creator. And I'm also going to be sharing you guys how to start a YouTube channel, okay. I'm going to be making all those videos for you guys. Yeah guys, so those are the content I'm going to be creating this 2022 onwards, okay guys. So I'm not sure if I've missed anything, because I didn't write anything down much. So although I'm looking at my notebook here, but I didn't write a lot of these things down because already I know what I want to do this 2022. Yeah, I'm also going to be into doing some few product reviews here and there as well, because I have a lot of products that I use, cleaning products, some other household things that I use as well. Not only cleaning products, I have perfumes that I use, although I don't show them on YouTube. You know, I don't show them on YouTube, so people don't know that I use all those kind of things. The cream I use, my shower gel, I use all those things, but people don't really know. The only thing I don't do is makeup. I'm sure a lot of people already know that I don't do makeup, okay. So I cannot review product. Although I can review a makeup if a brand sent me a makeup kit, I can try it, but I don't know how to do makeup as such, okay. So I don't know I'm going to do that one. But anyway, if a brand reach out to me, I will do it, okay. So yes, I'm going to be doing some product review as well. The product can be from Amazon, from a brand, or from anywhere, okay guys. Yeah, so those are the some of the videos I'm going to be doing, okay. I don't think I need to repeat myself, but I think those are most of the things I'm going to be doing as well. And my birthday is also coming up next month, February, okay guys. So I'm going to be doing a video about that. Of course you guys already know I'm going to be doing that. I'm just telling you guys. Yeah guys, so oh, and also before I forget, I remove my membership video. So I'm going to be putting my membership, I'm going to be updating my membership video, okay guys, because I noticed that my people who are signed up to my membership, they don't want to send me their address for gift. So I'm not going to be sending a gift anymore. I think people just want to protect their address. So I'm not going to be sending a gift anymore, but I'm going to make another video updating my membership. Yes, okay guys. So this is all I wanted to share with you guys, what I'll be creating for 2022 and onwards, okay. So you guys should look out for varieties of videos. I'm sure one of the video is going to favor, sorry guys for the noise, I'm sure one of the video or two is going to be helpful and useful for you guys, okay. Sorry guys for the noise. Yeah guys, so this is all I have for you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please, if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, because I'm sure this year 2022 you are really going to enjoy all my content, okay guys. So hopefully you guys will see this video soon before my other videos. Yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all being here. God bless you almightily. Bye guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.